With a lot of positive enthusiasts, there's also a lot of other questions within the FIRE movement itself. So let's get into yours. I'm not planning to retire to a beach. I want to teach mathematics and physics in my local high school. The reason being is very simple. I really cherish the teacher I have had, and he's left a large impression on me and enjoyment for the numbers. And the second reason is, of course, working here locally as a teacher gives me super amazing time flexibility, where there's a lot of vacations through the best times of the year. And also, you basically don't really work those hours that I have right now in the tech industry. Investing generally goes in phases. So you start up with maybe stock picking because it's fun at the start of your career. Then you might pivot to some just ETF investing because you put large chunks of money into it and you don't really want the large volatility that comes with it. And right before taking out money, or some time before taking out money, depending on the markets, you will slowly transition more into bonds and really those safe assets that are adverse to the market changes and more predictable. Nowadays, you already have products with this built by Vanguard and other companies where you can invest early, set up your retirement age, and sort of it will auto balance your portfolio towards more bonds at the end so that you are safe in retirement and don't have to be scared about a 20, 30, 40% drop in the market right before you want to retire, because those bonds will keep you steadily going through those takeout periods and overall volatility. The 4% rule has always been a better thing to just set up a target so you know roughly where the ballpark number is you need to hit to be independent. Once you hit your target and start taking out money, I wouldn't really recommend just blindly following the 4% rule. Still thinking about it a little bit more, using your bonds, your safe havens when the market is down, using some guardrail approach. There's lots of philosophies behind the takeout period. If you're right now doing minimum salary in a given country, it's probably going to be hard to have disposable income and invest a reasonable, sufficient amount. So it really, really is necessary for financial independence, especially if you want to achieve it early, to have enough disposable income. That meaning there's always enough opportunities to learn and acquire new skills, and I would really heavily focus on it until you have enough disposable income for your personal financial goals. Well, I got burned in crypto. I lost a fair chunk of money, and it really taught me to not think I'm a stock genius and just do the simple, stupid ETF investing for the long-term gains and nothing else. The crypto crash was one of the best life lessons I had within my financial journey, and it's just been a great, let's say, opportunity to reflect on me without it costing me too much. And since then, I've basically grown and really been clear, stable with my ETF investing. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below in the comment section, and of course try out my financial freedom tracker that I'm personally building for just people like us that really want to take charge of their personal finances. And I'm out.